Have you ever been in a legally confusing situation and you weren't sure what to do? Those days are over. Listen to Sabi Law on the Beat 97 to know what's up. Sabi Law is up every Monday, Wednesday and Friday from 8:55 a.m. Exclusive to the Beat 97 ABJ.
Hello Abuja, welcome to today's edition of Sabi Law on the Beat FM, Abuja. So, I remain Mr. Onyekachi Umar, and with me today is
Mr. Kenechukwu Agwu, your favorite lawyers and law teachers on the Beat FM.
All right. So today we are looking at the police, the Nigerian police, the DSS, the whatever arresting agency. Do they have rights to remove the clothes of suspects? Like that is like the standard thing you see in almost every law enforcement agency in Nigeria. The moment they say Mr. A is suspected to have killed Mr. B, Mr. A goes naked. They will take away his clothes. Now the best they can do is to allow, if the person is a male, they allow the person to wear pants. You know what some will call boxers,
briefs.
So is that right? What does the law say? And with Mr. Kenchukwu is going to lead us on this. We will find out that if it is not right, what possible steps could such persons take, even when you are guilty, even when you've been convicted of the offense, but you were naked at that place. What steps should you take? Or to Mr. Kenchukwu.
First and foremost, such practices are illegal. Such practice is illegal. A suspect, whenever he is brought to the police station or any arresting or detaining agency, is entitled to wear and keep his necessary clothes, which means clothes to cover his body and not just his private parts. Now, this may not extend to if you want to wear your abada. Of course, yeah, because for security situations, but it has to be clothes that cover your body. It's your right. It's your right to say, I have to wear this. And when your clothes insists on putting on your clothes, insist, let them know it is your right. And when they insist, of course, I know by now you should have known, you should tell them you want to see your lawyer, you want to speak to your lawyer, you want to bring your lawyer involved in the matter, because it's actually an offense. It's a crime. It's a crime against those they are committing against you. It's also a violation of your human dignity, which at no point should be violated.
So, from what you're saying to us today, to Nigerians across the world, the moment one is arrested or being detained, the person should insist to wear his or her clothes.
Exactly.
And I understand you can really do little when you are faced with a gun, Mm-hmm. So, but that means that the lawyers who go to these detention centers, they have a duty. They have to press and demand that their clients, quote unquote, the suspects in detention, should be allowed to put on their clothes. The best the law enforcement should do is search those clothes. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Be sure the person is not having a weapon or so.
And in fact, clothes of their choice, because I also remember recently in the trial of treason for Nnamdi Kanu, the judge of the Federal High Court spoke emphatically that the DSS should let him put on his religion that helps him practice his to put on wares that helps him practice his religion.
After all, suspects are mere suspects.
They are not even found guilty. And even if they are found guilty, the right to human dignity is one right that can never be derogated from and should never be.
Yeah.
Right, for this, our authority is Section 9, Sub 1 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 and similar Administration of Criminal Justice laws of the various states of the of Nigeria.
So all the states are bound by this. I keep saying, when you hear about the ACJA, the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, don't go thinking it's an Abuja thing. Your state has got one. Thank you, Abuja. Till next edition on Sabi Law on the Beat FM, go Sabi Law.
Have you ever been in a legally confusing situation and you weren't sure what to do? Those days are over. Listen to Sabi Law on the Beat 97 to know what's up. Sabi Law is up every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 8:55 a.m.
Exclusive to the Beat 97 ABJ.